Question number 17. A point source of light of amplitude y is viewed from a distance x. You have a point source of light of amplitude y, is distance from a distance x. Okay, distance x over here. Let me call this point A. The observed light intensity is I. The amplitude is now decreased. I do not know to what extent it has been decreased. And the distance is changed to x by 2. X by 2. This is the point B over here. The observed light intensity becomes 2i. When you come nearby, intensity will increase. Okay. So what is the new amplitude of the source? Now we know that the intensity I will now depend upon amplitude and as well as distance given by the formula I is equal to y square by x square. Amplitude square by distance square. Okay. Now if I apply the same thing here, I will write 2i is equal to, what is the amplitude I do not know. I will write this as y dash square divided by distance square is x square divided by 4. Okay. Now I can now equate this. Now or what I can do is I will take this value, substitute here. I will write 2 into y square by x square is equal to y dash square divided by x square, and this 4 goes upwards. It becomes 4 over here. Okay. So this x square goes away. 2 1s are, 2 2s are goes away. So it implies y dash square is equal to y square divided by 2, or y dash is equal to y by root 2, which is the right option here. We don't have y by root 2 at all here, but you have one of this option here. So you rationalize this denominator, multiply by root 2, divide by root 2 on both the sides. You already have a y by root 2 here. So this becomes root 2 into root 2 becomes 2. So therefore this becomes root 2 by 2 into y, which incidentally is option D.